How to recover deleted project in CapCut. For today's topic, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted project in CapCut. If you accidentally deleted your project on CapCut and you want to recover it, then try to check first your CapCut cache folder, which may still contain your deleted videos. Note that I think this method only works if you're using your CapCut on PC. Now, if you're using CapCut on phone or mobile, then you can easily recover the deleted project in the cloud storage within CapCut. Open your CapCut app on your device, then go to the Edit section. Tap on the Cloud button below the New Project button. In here, it will show all the projects that you have uploaded, which serves as a backup. Now navigate to the project that you deleted, then tap on it to download. Once it is downloaded, it will appear on the local folder, and now you can edit it again and export it to your device. Note that you can only recover a project that is uploaded on the cloud storage, so it is recommended that you turn on the auto upload option in CapCut to make sure that every project you have will be uploaded in the cloud automatically. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.